Alright, today's the day. It's not without some trepidation that Mrs. Jeff drives the Datsun.
I'm an excellent driver. I don't know what you're talking about.
We'll see. Alright, it's time to bundle up and let's get on the road. Alright, you get.
It's not generous.
It's tight.
It's yeah. It's not a generous space. Right. Okay, I feel like I'm too far back.
Too far back?
Hang on. Oh no, I think I'm good actually. Yeah, no, I'm good. This is perfect leg length.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Oh, good. Alright.
So
It's that key up the other way.
Whoa. Okay.
Alright, now turn it around. Just okay. Listen to that. Hear that? The fuel pump.
Yeah.
Now turn it off and turn it on again.
Why didn't you do that?
Because you want to listen to it until it gets really quiet. You want to listen to the fuel pump. You got to make sure it's pumped fuel.
Oh, is it the fuel pump I can hear ticking?
That's the clock, but the one in the back. Alright, try again.
I feel embarrassed now.
Until it's vertical. There you go. That's the fuel pump.
It's like a purr.
Now off and on again.
How many times do you have to do this?
Until it gets quiet.
Oh, so it needs to be quiet when I go to turn it on?
Yes.
Oh, you didn't explain that.
Well,
Don't. Yeah.
Alright, that's reasonably quiet. Now, 2 pumps on the accelerator. Bit of pump. There you go. It's delicate. It needs a little bit more finesse than a regular car. Alright. And off we go.
Ooh, is that right?
Yes. Alright, we're off.
It's a bit spongy.
It's a very big gearbox, a very long gear stick.
It is. Everything seems elongated and like long and thin. And does the speedometer work?
It's in miles an hour, so yes.
So it's about 30 miles.
35.
I feel like we had this conversation
30, yeah.
with the Beetle.
Yeah, we did.
So about 30 miles.
30 miles is 50, yeah. Steering's quite light, sort of
It's very
floaty.
light. Yeah.
Particularly with a big steering wheel, even though there's no power steering, you don't really need it. It's quite direct.
It's a light car. It feels very light.
Yes.
Oh, it's a traffic. Can't see anything with these cars block me. Am I going left?
Go right.
Oh yeah, it's nice going around corners.
Yeah. So how are you finding it so far?
Nice, I like it. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Probably the kind of thing you just want to. I mean, that starting thing is it's a bit of a pull-off. Yeah, the brakes feel a lot spongier. No, they're not spongy as such, but it's just that the pedal feels like there's a long way to push the pedal down. Actually, I prefer it to the Beetle.
Oh, it's much better than the Beetle.
Yeah, much better. And I actually like the seat. I find it really comfortable. It's like a firm embrace. I like the steering wheel too. It's got a good feel to it. It's great to have it on the road.
Finally.
Yeah, I like it. It's nice. Love the colour, love the stitching.
So overall it gets your tick.
Yeah. So this is Jeff. Tick of approval.
It's pretty tough here in Australia. This is mid-winter's day.
Wow, this is a really nice day.
Yeah, just put your foot down. How'd you find it?
Yeah, it's great. I really enjoyed driving it. Yeah.
That's enough. It's mine. I don't think I'm going to see it again now. Anyway, Mrs. Jeff has actually driven the car and it survived. Unlike when she broke the
So
bezel.
rude. Okay, hope you're enjoying the show, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already.
Help us out. Patreon, links in the description, merch, all that stuff. You know the deal. All right, guys.
See ya.
See ya.